Here's how to cancel your AutoDS subscription. To do this, first open up your AutoDS account. Then go to Settings in the bottom left. Here you want to go to Account and Billing. Now here you will see your payment method and your next billing cycle. What you will need to do is click Manage/Cancel Account right here. Then you can see Pause Account, which will pause your account, but if you fully want to cancel it, just click Cancel Account in the bottom left. Then here click Next, and then click on Cancel Account again. Then you can give an issue, doesn't really matter which one you want to do, and from there click Next again, and then here click Continue Cancellation, and then again click Confirm Cancellation. They keep hiding this, they keep showing the orange button, but every time you want to click in the bottom left, so click Confirm Cancellation, and then it will now be cancelled and your account will basically be gone, and you will now not be billed again. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.